Ready? Say Merry Christmas, Titi Jaji. Wait. Say Merry Christmas.
Open it. Open it.
Give me a kiss.
What? Open it.
Okay.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
You want to help me? Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. What is it? What is it? Help me.
Since you like coffee. Wait. You see this thing right here? This tumbler, if you take it to any Starbucks in the month of January, you will get free coffee throughout the whole month.
You should have gave that to me. You messed up. I'm the one who's in love with coffee.
So is she.
What? I go to Starbucks every day after school. What is wrong with you?
Well, that's your gift.
I can't believe this.
Enjoy it.
Nah, enjoy.
Give a kiss, give a kiss.